Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good morning and welcome to our research presentation about designing of jig and fixtures for trimming process in automotive industries. I'm here today to talk about smart tool design process, and I'm sure it's everyone's favorite discussions topic. Before we begin, I want to highlight exactly what we want you to take away from these presentations. First and most important is about the real scenario and problem in automotive industry, especially in injection molding process for producing automotive parts. Second is how we deal with the problems, how we design the device or special tools to overcome the problem. The problem that we want to highlight is trimming process. And lastly, we want to share with you the result that we get after we implement the tool that we design in terms of increasing productivities and lowering costs. As we know, a local plastic molding company produces a wide range of different plastic products every day. The operator and engineers of the company must manually remove the plastic runner from some of these plastic products. Usually a pair of cutting pliers and knife was used as a process cutting tool, which can be repeated several thousand times a day. This process is a long-term and ergonomically hazardous process because after cooling process, a plastic runner is quite rigid. The aim of this research is to design and develop a device to assist operators and engineers in the local plastic injection molding company. The device is known as jig and fixtures, which function as a trimming guide for an operator trimming process. This design and construction process comprise the initial design concept from the actual part design to the final design of the jig and fixtures. And as I mentioned before, the main objective of this research is to solve the quality issue that occur in instrument panel for Perodua IV because of the over-trim process by an operator. There are 4 stages of development process for this device by using CDIO models of development. It consists of 4 components, namely conceive, design, implement, and operate. The problem daily report is one of the methods that have been used to collect information what the most defect happen in daily productions. The report consists of producing target, rejections, and number of defects based on each types. These consist of 5 defect types such as over trim, short mold, black dot, silver streak, and flow mark. This table shows the data collected in 3 months starting on October 2018 to December 2018. The comparison defect for 3 months is shown in these figures. It shows that the overtrim is dominate the highest number of the defect compared to other types of defects. The percentage of damage of each defect versus total damage, total demand for every 3 months is shown in these figures. The overtrim is recorded the highest percentage of defect. This indicates that a solution to this problem is needed. By solving this problem, there are benefits in reducing cost of material used for productions, cost of manpower, and also it can reduce the cycle times of trimming process. The idea in designing trimming guide jig for ornament big D20N for model program IV was created from Ishikawa diagram, or known as root cause analysis. From these tools, company defined the problem that operator had during handle process of the product. This tool was analyzed the problem that operator had during trimming the excess material on the surface product. The study for this design simulation and testing were done and turned out with a positive result by reducing in several aspects like cycle time in process of parts, material consumption for the over-trim defect rejections. The new design of trimming guide jig for ornament big D20N will help the quality issue that company had before, and also in another way can increase the company productivities. After implement the trimming guide jig for ornament Big D20N, the data was collected from the production team department to compare the previous condition data and the actual condition data after implement the trimming guide jig. The jig have undergone several testing trials to make sure the effectiveness of the jig toward the parts products, and it also has been testing towards the operator to measure the comforts used when handling the trimming process. This jig was help in any way for the companies. For example, increase the productivity of the companies, reduce costs in material consumptions, and reduce cycle in the process toward these parts. Okay, I have come to the end of my presentations. Any question? If you have any questions, feel free to contact my email. I will be happy to answer them. I will finish here. Thank you very much, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.